Hey everyone, we're here at the 4400 block of Eldone Avenue Road, located in Baltimore 21229. As we enter, here is our living room. And this house has a different kind of layout than most, as you'll see throughout this video. As we walk in here, on the first level is your first bedroom. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. Okay, here we can peek out right here. I'll show you a glimpse of the yard as well. Okay, so let's go upstairs where the other 2 bedrooms are. Okay, let's go to our left. It's our first bedroom. As you can see, new wood flooring. Here's our full bathroom, very clean. New tile. Our 3rd bedroom, right here. This house does have central air, 3-bedroom, 1-bath, located in West Baltimore, 21229. All right, now let's go to the basement. The basement is where the kitchen is. So let's go downstairs and take a look. All right, let's make our way downstairs. First, we're gonna go to the right. The right is where your washer dryer is, utility sink. You also have another toilet down here that you can use as well. Okay. Make our way over here. This is where the kitchen is located. All right. Clean. All right, and then you can make your way right outside. Here's where the backyard is. Once again, this house is in the 4400 block of Eldone, West Baltimore 21229. Fantastic area, $1,400, new wood flooring, central air, nice sized backyard, washer dryer. If you're interested, please give me a call. My number is 443-380-0075.